Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys the Walgreens preview for November 10th through November 16th. It is actually a pretty great great week to get a lot of points, especially with the Colgate. So if you guys have extra Colgate coupons, definitely go ahead and get that. So as you guys see in the front page, they have gifts of the week. So they got a lot of chocolates, they got some Harry Potter blankets, and then they have the Soap and Glory bag. It says it's a $45 value. You get 5 pieces for $15. So if you guys know somebody who is interested in that, I do know somebody who's interested in that. We are getting $2 off coupons for that brand in this Sunday's paper. Or there is also a $2 digital if you guys can clip that to your card. They got Russell Stover candy, buy one, get one free. They got soda, buy 2 at $5.99, you get one free. So it's up to you guys if you want to do that. General Mills cereal is $1.99. We do have $1 off of 3 coupons that you guys can use. I forgot to write down what insert it's in, but you would pay $4.97 or get them for $1.65 a piece. It looks like the Scott's is $5, and then there's a $1.25 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet, and usually we have 50 to 75 cents to $1 off coupons, so you guys could get those a little bit cheaper. The Tresemme is $4.99. There is going to be a digital coupon for 5 off of 3. You guys would end up paying $9.97. You'll get 5,000 points. That is a deal where you guys can pay with points, but you get 5,000 points. Comes out to be $4.97 or $1.65 if you guys were interested with that. Crest toothpaste, $2.99. There's a 5 off of 3 digital coupon that will be available. You guys would end up paying $3.97 for that, but then you'll get a $4 register reward, making it absolutely free. So that's a pretty good deal. Hope you guys are ready to get toothpaste wasted this week, because yeah, they do have some other soda, 3 for $8.99. Comes out to be $2.99 a piece if you guys want that deal. They have the nice brand trash bags or baggies. Buy one, you get 2 free, so you guys would pay $2.79 for 3 of them, but then you get them for 93 cents a piece. That deal happens like literally every couple weeks, so if you guys miss it out or if you want to pass, it's up to you guys, but I think I am bag wasted if you guys, you know, yeah. They have some nice brand plates, buy one, and bowls, buy one, get one free if you guys are interested in that. Sharing you guys with that deal. And then they have Campbell's soup, 2 for $2 in the 11.3 Smart Source. We have 40 cents off of 4 coupons. You guys can pay $3.60 or just 90 cents. I did forget a deal. Right here there is Revlon and Almay. It's buy one get one 50% off. We do have those lip balms that are $4.99. You guys would pay $7.48. When you buy 2, you get a $4 register reward, making them $3.68 or $1.74. I would not do that deal unless you guys absolutely need it, because hopefully you guys are all wasted from like the last couple other weeks. So yeah. Now I'm going to skip ahead to other deals. They got some foods, you know, buy one get one free, which is a pretty good deal. They got some of these cookies that everybody likes, 2 for $6. More snacks and all that stuff. Here is some dried fruit, 3 for $6 if you guys want to do something like that. Candy, nothing really popping out. Crunch and Baby Ruth. Nestle candy bars are all 2 for $1, so those are good filler items if you guys have register rewards that are expiring. They do have a soap deal, buy 3 at $4.99, you get 1 free. There are some of those coupons. I know a couple of those do expire, but there are some coupons out there if you guys want to go ahead and do that deal. Socks, they have for $1. Now we're going to like the gifts. So now they got some gifts from $2.99, $1.99, buy 2 at $6.99, get 1 free. Now here is the gift card deal. If you guys buy 2, either Kohl's, Gap, Children's Place, Spa Wellness, Brinker, Chili's, or Domino's, you guys will get a $10 gift card. So usually I think the minimum is like $15 for some of that stuff. So if you guys want to go ahead and do that deal, you can do that. They got some candy for 99 cents, but there's like 2 or 3 items in there. Not the greatest. You can see a lot of Christmas stuff going on sale. Movies, gift sets, $10, $15, $20. It says it's all under that. Now here is some other coupons. Now here's Crest. That is $2.99. We do have some dollar off coupons in the 11.3 Smart Source. You guys would pay $3.98, but then you guys will get 4,000 points, making it absolutely free. That's a deal where you guys can pay with points and get points. So I know a lot of people are going to go crazy. They have Speed Stick, buy one get one 50% off. There's supposedly going to be a dollar off coupon in the digitals, so you guys will get 3,000 points when you buy two. Otherwise, it's still a good deal if you guys don't have that coupon. Gillette is buy one get one 50% off. You get a $5 registry reward when you spend $20 or more. Okay deal. They have soft soap for buy one get one 50% off, and then you get 4,000 points when you buy 4 of them. Some of the soaps are $2.99 and some of them are $1.99. So if you guys want to go ahead and do that deal, I have a ton of soap from the last couple deals. Now we're getting into the medicines, and nothing really popping out for me at all. And that is pretty much it. That's the last page. So a lot of good deals for points if you guys want to go ahead and do that. But I know a lot of people's register rewards are expiring. So if they, if you want to get points, try to go ahead and do it. But again, thank you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.